Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase career skills with FutureLearn, full guide step by step clearly. To increase your career skills with FutureLearn, start by visiting the FutureLearn website. Create an account if you haven't already. Provide your basic details to set up your profile. Once logged in, browse the course catalog. Use the search function to find specific skills or topics that interest you. Filter the courses by categories such as career development, business, technology, and more. Read the course descriptions carefully to find the ones that align with your career goals. Check the course ratings and reviews for guidance on quality and relevance. Select a course that fits your needs and click on it to learn more. Pay attention to the course requirements and duration before enrolling. Click on the Enroll button to start the course. Explore any free courses if you're on a tight budget. Once enrolled, create a study plan to stay on track. Set aside specific times each week for course activities and study. Engage with course materials, including videos, readings, and quizzes. Participate in discussions with fellow learners to enhance your understanding. Take notes on key concepts and skills you want to remember. Complete all assignments and practical exercises to apply what you've learned. Utilize FutureLearn's support resources if you encounter difficulties. Consider earning a certificate upon course completion for verification of your skills. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile with the new skills and courses completed. Network with other learners and instructors for opportunities and insights. Continue exploring more advanced courses or additional topics to further enhance your skills. Monitor your progress and reflect on what you've learned regularly. Stay committed to lifelong learning for ongoing career development. Take advantage of FutureLearn's community for support and networking opportunities. Incorporate your new skills into your current job or apply them to seek new positions. Embrace the changes in your career journey with the knowledge gained from FutureLearn. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.